So you know what? I'm done riding the Daytona 675 and I'll be riding my good old Duke 390, the first generation Duke 390 now. And my friend Ravi will be riding the Daytona. So let's see, it's going to be fun. This is going to be a video to understand the real world conditions race. I mean, on papers, of course, Daytona should be able to smoke the Duke 390 without an issue at all. But as we know, in real world conditions, things are different. So let's see what happens. Love that exhaust note, man. Love it. Whoa! The Duke feels so freaking light. But trust me, it doesn't feel slow. The acceleration of the first generation Duke 390 is so good that even after I was riding the Daytona for about 150 kilometers non-stop and I'm riding this Duke 390 now, the Duke doesn't feel slow. I mean, the power to weight ratio, man, God, this thing is only about 145 kgs and producing about 43 horses. Absolute marvel of engineering. Come on, man, go! Go, baby, go! Go! I'm gonna get your ass now! I'm actually gonna go and spank his ass. I'm gonna do that in real. What happened? Go! Let me see if I can spank his ass. No, he's not allowing me to do that. He got my trick. He got my trick. Okay. Okay. I'm loving riding the Duke. I thought, you know, when we were having lunch about 10 minutes ago, I thought, oh God, I'll be moving from the Daytona to Duke. So I'll probably miss the power, I'll miss the acceleration, but the Duke has got it all, man. I mean, I'm not saying the Duke is on power with the Daytona, no way. The Daytona is miles ahead when it comes to acceleration, but the Duke is not slow, so you don't really miss out too much. Something's wrong. Let me just pull over and ask. What happened? Why are you riding so slow?
I was in third gear. The front end is wobbling.
Front end is wobbling, right?
Wobbling like crazy.
Okay, see, till about 150, 160 it's okay.
Not 150. It's wobbling at 120, 130.
See, I did 180.
Yeah, I can also do 220. It's wobbling.
Yeah, I know. Let's be safe and ride how much ever you can. Okay, if you are tired, give it back. If you don't want to, give it back to me.
No.
Okay, let's go. Spanked his ass! I spanked his ass! Buddies! Unfortunately, the friendly race is not going to happen between the Duke 390 and the Daytona 675 because my friend is taking the ride absolutely easy. He is not comfortable riding fast with the front end wobble that is happening on the Daytona, which makes sense If you're not comfortable doing something, you should never do it. Should never risk your life and others' lives on a motorcycle. Take it easy. So because he's not going over 110 or 120 kilometers an hour, a friendly race is not going to happen. Let me anyways try to overtake him now and show him a middle finger and tell him that you are a very good boy. Just kidding. Let me overtake him. Just for fun. Just for fun. So that is not going to happen, the friendly race. But my friend is setting a good example to everyone that just because you have a fast motorcycle, don't get your ego in between, and understand that if the motorcycle is mechanically not sound at some point, or if you're not feeling well someday, then take it easy. Don't push it don't push your luck too much. So that is it, buddies. That is it.